In this video, I will show you a very useful feature of Framework360. We are talking about the web tracking module. We go to the menu under Tracking, we find Web Tracking. With the web tracking module of Framework360, you can track anything that happens on the website thanks to this convenient panel that allows you to track, for example, clicks on the phone number, clicks on the email, clicks on any button or content, referrers, session duration, and many other features, even up to, for example, purchase tracking. Furthermore, you can send the tracking if you insert the Facebook pixel here, for example, let's randomly place it. You can track what happens on the website and send it to the Facebook pixel and to many other advertising platforms such as Google Analytics, Google Ads, Google Tag Manager, Twitter, Microsoft Ads, TikTok, etc. For example, let's look at this website created specifically for this tutorial, and we see that it features a button, for instance, Order Now. And then below, a checkout and a phone number. We want to ensure that when someone clicks on the phone number or clicks on this button, the conversion is automatically captured. Let's start with the button. Go to Goals, activate clicks, and then we can, for example, click on Visual Selection. Here we should do nothing more than select the button. Confirm selection, event, click, button, green, close, save. How can we see now? Inside statistics, there is nothing. If we reload the page and click on the order button now, which leads to the checkout form automatically. Here, by reloading the page, we will see that the conversion has been recorded. Statistics, click green button 1. Furthermore, we could also ensure that the conversion is sent to Facebook ADS, so that the advertising platform's machine learning understands that a conversion has been made by a specific user. Additionally, we could also, for example, activate the purchase by clicking on Purchase Settings, and we will see that the platform will automatically detect anyone who arrives and fills out this checkout form. The web tracking module also integrates with external platforms. By going under Developers, Framework360, there will be the option to include a JavaScript code that, when placed in the footer of the external website, will allow the use of Framework360 modules on external domains as well.